Welcome. I'd like to introduce you to the JCVision wireless document camera. So this comes with a 13 megapixel sensor. It also has LED lights on it. It has 4 physical buttons on the unit. At the back, you have a Type B port that you have at the back, and you also have a Kensington lock. At the bottom, you have mounts. If you need to mount it on a specific place, you can mount it on any unit. So this is battery powered, as it's a wireless device, and it has a wireless dongle that comes with the unit with a Type A port, which you can then connect to your PC so that it can communicate with the software on your PC. It has a flexible stand which can rotate in different forms. So I'll go through the software functions of the unit so that we can see how best to use this unit. So once you've connected like your wireless dongle to your interactive display and you have your document camera, so my document camera is here. So you can see there's a distance between the document camera itself and the display. So you have the menu function, so you can change your settings, you can scan and you can have information about the software. You can minimize to the application. You also have like options to select, let's say the pen options. So like if you need to mark, you can mark on the document. You can select the like bigger thickness, maybe more color, and then you have more of this. You can select the eraser, so you can either erase everything that's on the display, so you can just select everything to erase everything that should have written, or you can select individual erasers to erase on the display. You can select the option to freeze, so once it's frozen, that document that I took, I can still have the same document here, and it will be frozen on the display. So if I unfreeze, so now I've unfrozen the display and I've put the content back and it will show on the display. You can select to take a picture of this and then it will save onto the display. You can also select like a time lapse, so it can be 5 seconds or 10 seconds. You also have options like if you need for autofocus or if you need to record, so autofocus. Or if you need to record, you can then record and the content will be saved onto the display. So as you can see, the record function is now enabled. You can stop this and then save it onto the PC. So I'll just choose no for now. You also have the document scanning. So let's say if you are scanning a document with more pages, you can then continuously scan. And then let's say you open the page, you can rotate so that it suits the correct orientation, and then you can scan as many pages as you can up until you're done. You also have another feature that you have, so the spotlight feature. So with the spotlight feature, you can select a specific area that you need. You can then create like the OCR function, or you can save the selected part. Or if you create, let's say, OCR, for example, it will copy the information that you've copied on OCR, and then you can maybe minimize and then save it. Let's say if you have a text document, you can save it on a text document what was copied from the previous document. So these are some of the features that you have on this unit and how you would use it on the display.